All right, I'm going to show you guys how to do a MedSup quote using Bedrock. So when you come into the page, you can click directly onto the name of your customer. You can put in all of their demographic info. Obviously, this smoker toggle is obviously pretty important when it comes to MedSup quotes. So you want to make sure you have that one right. Obviously, the gender as well. The notes, the relationships, all those kinds of things, and then you can click out of it. When you come over here, obviously pharmacies, providers, and prescriptions are not important when you have a MedSup quote. So we're going to leave that the way it is just for now. Come over to the quoting page, and typically when you come over here, it'll just automatically start running. I'm going to rerun it just so you can see what it looks like. Fetching Medigap quotes. You can see your effective date up here. If this is in the past, you'll get an error. You won't be able to run the quotes. And then you can come down here, you can see the contract, the carriers that you're contracted with. We, by default, will show you plan Gs and plan Ns. If you just want to see the Gs, you can do that here. If you want to see them all, if you expand into some states, Minnesota and Wisconsin specifically don't have the letters. They have the basics and the riders and things like that. But this is where you can see all of them together, just the G's, just the N. So if I come down here and we just want to look at the G's, it's sorted by the least expensive premium. And right up here, you can compare them. And right here, you can see the differences. If you wanted to come over here and email these out, you can see the quotes have been sent to the guy's email address. Essentially, they will see exactly this information: the monthly breakdown, the annual premium, and then any sort of applicable info, right? Whether there's a application fee, whether there's a household discount, any sort of relevant information that might help them make a decision. Pretty simple, pretty easy peasy. Obviously, to enroll the client, you'd have to go to the carrier's website to do that. But there are a couple of things that you can do here to improve the quote. Add the household discount. Then you're going to want to rerun it. Obviously, it takes a second to do that. Beyond that, there's a couple different views here, just compact and detail. So right now we're on the detailed view. If we go to the compact view, just a little bit of a different kind of look to it. And right here, again, this info button is exactly what you saw in the compare view. Pretty simple, pretty easy. That's it. It's very, very straightforward, very, very fast, very sleek.